stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. Unlock the cage and free my heart. This is where the journey starts. Now it begins, now it begins, now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day.
Happy birthday, Chanel! 7 years old ka na ngayon and wish namin is lumaki kang maging mabait na bata at nandito lang lagi kami para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal ka namin. We love you!
Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a
Happy birthday, Chanel! May you have many, many more healthy birthday to come and to celebrate. Gusto namin, syempre, na lumaki kang maging mabuting bata na may takot sa Panginoon, na laging sumusunod sa mami at sa daddy mo at sa amin. Maging mapagmahal ka sa iyong mga magulang at mag-aaral na mabuti. God bless you always.
I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live.
Birthday, Chanel! Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Lolo.
I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins.
Happy 7th birthday, Chanel. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang si nanay at tatay para sa'yo, lahat ng gusto mo. Gagawa natin ang paraan. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw mo, ngayong birthday mo. At sana maging mabait ka lalo, lumaking may takot sa Diyos. At mahalin mo sana lagi ang iyong pamilya. Happy birthday, Chanel.
Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
Happy birthday, Chanel! Happy birthday, Chanel!
It's always short and simple for our dearest baby Chanel. We love you very much. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Chanel! God bless!
Happy birthday, Chanel!
Happy birthday, Chanel!